What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. All right, Mike. What do you got for us today?
Well, 1955 Chevy First Series, big back window. I would just say it's kind of a badass Chevy.
Right on, man. What can you tell us about it?
Small block 400, about 600 horsepower. It's got 76 blades of running gear underneath it. Spent about 2 years doing the drivetrain and the mechanical part, and then wintertime it will be time to start working on the body.
Oh, okay, right on. How long have you owned it?
About 2 years.
Awesome. Right on. Has it always been lifted like this?
No, I did it all.
Okay, awesome. Right on, man. Thanks. Appreciate it. It's a beautiful truck.
Fired up, put a little motor on there for you.
Oh yeah, let's go for it. Very cool. All right. Well, thank you.